Okay, this is a two-step program. I had to approximate numbers because you have not given me the exact numbers. So anyways, very good. It's indexing out to the left side of the first coil, and I put in 2 startup turns, and then there'll be 42. There'll be 40 regular turns. So I'm first going to run it without showing how the foot pedal works. There's your 2 startup turns. That can be stopped at any time with the foot pedal. There's finishing up the 42. That's the first coil. Then they index to the far right side of the second coil, and it feeds the opposite direction. Same startup turns. And I programmed this to do top going because you said you wanted to use this. And then to start over, if they hit the start button, as long as they don't hit reset, it won't go to machine 0. It'll just go to here. And now I'm going to show you how they can do the taping. It's the same program. At any point, they can stop it and start it. And every time they restart it, it starts up at 2 start up or 2 slow down turns. So even when it gets into the full speed range, which is, see right now it's going the top speed. They could stop it in the middle of the top speed, and if they restart it, it will still start up nice and slow. So it's very safe to use that way. And then it goes to the second coil. And again, if they want to stop it to put tape on at a certain spot, they can stop and start it. As long as ideally they continue moving in the forward direction. Plus, if they want to move in the back direction, they can put this in neutral. Can you see that switch? And they can go back. It's nice and free. I've been running this with dynamic brake. It's kind of hard for a woman to move that. And then there's a spindle lock, which locks it up. You would probably want to run the program with the dynamic brake. So anyways, now it's going to finish up the second coil. See how it's feeding to the back. Now, can you zoom in on this a little? Can you see that pretty good? This is what I use for a program. These are arbitrary numbers. The shift I put in at 50 millimeters. The width I did 1 inch because you haven't told me what the width is. So I just took an inch, which is 25.4. And step 2 is the same width. The pitch of the wire, 1.7 millimeters for 14 gauge. There's your 42 turns. There's your 2 startups and your 5 slowdowns. I'm going full speed, 99 on the high speed, low speed. The 15 is for the 2 start slows and the 2 end slows. And I have an acceleration of 20. That's 20 out of 99. So you can adjust the acceleration to whatever speed you like. And that's it.